Looking for free Robux and came across Rp6.pro? You're definitely not the only one. These types of websites are popping up all over the internet, targeting Roblox players with flashy promises like unlimited Robux or no human verification. At first glance, Rp6.pro looks simple. Just enter your Roblox username and complete a few quick tasks, and you're supposed to receive free Robux straight to your account. But let's be honest, if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. In this video, I decided to fully test the site myself to see what really happens behind the scenes. After submitting a Roblox username, no password thankfully, you're immediately redirected to pages full of third-party offers, shady survey sites, app installs, and spammy pop-ups that feel more like traps than rewards. These tasks seem endless, and every time you finish one, you're either redirected again or asked to do even more. There's no confirmation of any Robux being credited, no proof of payouts, and absolutely no association with Roblox or any official platform. Plus, there's zero transparency, no about page, no contact details, no privacy policy, which raises major red flags. While the site might not ask for your password, it still collects user activity and encourages clicks on potentially harmful sites, which can put your personal data or device at risk. So is Rp6.pro a legit way to earn Robux? Based on what I experienced, it's neither a full-blown hack nor a trustworthy tool. It's just another empty promise designed to waste your time and farm your clicks. If you're serious about earning Robux, stick to safe, verified methods and stay far away from these quick-fix scams. Watch till the end to see everything that happened and protect yourself before getting tricked by sites like this.